Oo.
May space ka pa.
Sabi ko.
Munti ka nang mabaonan ng lubusan ng Lyceum with an eventual 2-4 deficit.
Dapat to, makikita mo agad. Siya kasi nilipat eh. Pinakita mo, no?
Pero ibang kumpiyansa ang ipinakita ni Anthony Dugos na in-straight ang remaining racks para biglang umangat sa St. Clair. Lyceum shooting for the win. Nanginayang si Dugos sa pagkakataong yon. Pilit niyang umahabol itong si Venice Mariano ng St. Clair, but errors proved costly for him.
Scratch.
So with Reynold Dugos in control of this matchup to open this best of 3, he was rolling on the table. Dugos now on the table, already on the hill. Now with no clear offensive shot, Mariano forced a foul. Ang problema, he left enough of an opportunity para kay Dugos for this magical billiard onto the 10. Grabe ang naging performance dito ni Reynold Dugos.
Mahabol niya, nasigago. Rene.
9 ball goes down. Perfectly lined up for the 10. Reynold Dugos takes another rack. And now with Lyceum on the hill, another error on the part of St. Clair. Reynold Dugos looking to wrap this match up. 10 ball goes down. Lyceum wins 7 racks to 4 to take a 1-0 lead in this best of 3. Punta naman tayo sa 9 ball kung saan nakalaban ni Robbie Sugueco ng Lyceum si Richie Gogo ng St. Clair. Tamo natin best of 3 to. Kailangan ni Gogo manalo para makapagpwersa ng rubber match sa larangan ng 8 ball. 9 ball goes down. Unang nanalo si Sugueco ng Lyceum to put even more pressure on St. Clair. Ang dominance ni Gogo noong quarterfinals ay nagmukhang distant memory na lang dahil nanalo ng 5 sunod-sunod na rack etong si Sugueco ng Lyceum. Sugueco in control. Sugueco with a golden break. Everything going the way of the Lyceum Pirates. Stays in control of this match. Pero nagising din. Etong St. Clair, sumipa rin ang St. Clair sa rack 6 at 7 at pati na rin sa 8th rack. Mukhang may comeback looming mula sa St. Clair.
Trial lang naman po eh.
Kaya mahanap kita.
And just like that, bumaba na yung lamang ng Lyceum as St. Clair strung together 3 consecutive racks.
Sigurado na patimaan ko ako.
But at that point, Lyceum made sure it wouldn't give St. Clair a chance to tie. Subueco making sure of every single stroke at this point para masigurado ang panalo ng Lyceum. They win it 7 racks to 3 and advance to the finals.
Nasa sabi, tapos yung combination pa rin namata. Nasa po sa
Namata?
sabi namin, laruin lang namin.